Hi Espers! Grabe yung budulan ngayon. Meron na naman tayong bagong event which is yung The Magic Spin. Get excited kasi this event is somewhat similar sa isang event in League of Legends na kinonsider ko as sulit na sulit. Let me share with you my experience sa event na to as we try to get the grand prize and discuss the mechanics on the side. Meron nga palang lesson yung event natin today which is to be contented. Ayan ang natutunan ko in a very hard way. Pero let's get some facts out of the way first. Ano bang kailangan gawin dito, Sir JCFE? The event duration for this event is from today, September 29, up to October 9. There are actually 9 epic rewards and 2 jackpot prizes, one of which is yung pagpipilian yung dalawang skins ng characters nga. Simulat sa pool, dapat naramdaman ko nang hindi ibibigay ng ganong kadali ni Garena yung dalawang skins. Ang makukuha nyo lang dito really is isang skin. Balitaan nyo ako sa comment section sa baba if nakuha ninyo yung dalawang skins, si Spectre and si Seraph. Pero ayun nga, you only have 2 pull options and the first time ninyong gagawin sila, discounted yun. So that's 1 move and then 5 moves ang pwede ninyong pagpilian. Kahit anong piliin nyo dun sa dalawa, iikot yung marker ninyo sa board and titigil sa isang tile. Ibig sabihin nun is pag nag 5 moves ako, 5 rewards yung makukuha ko, pero hindi necessarily ibig sabihin nun, saktong 5 beses lang ako umikot sa board. Makikita nyo naman yon sa gameplay right now. Equally, pag nag 1 move ako, edi isang reward lang yung makukuha ko. Basta iikot yung marker ninyo sa board and kung saan siya magsa-stop, makukuha no yung reward. Meron tong milestones, espers, and baka ito yung confusing portion, which is controller yung reward. You can only get a controller pag nakapag-spin kayo ng 10 times, 30 times, and then lastly 50 times. So those are 3 controllers, 1 in each of the milestones. Pero ano bang ginagawa ng controller na yon? Pag meron ka nun, pwede kang mag-move forward ng 1 to 3 tiles, depende kung saan mo gugustuhin. Hindi random yon. So those are 1 to 3 tiles, moving forward lang. So kung gastador kayo katulad ko and you got the 3 controllers, 9 tiles ang pwede ninyo i-move forward. Pero hindi ganun yung galawan natin tonight. What I suggest for you to do, espers, is get the first controller by going with 2 5 moves and then tingi-tingiin ninyo with 1 move hanggang maging sapat yung controller na nakuha ninyo para mapupunta kayo doon sa may jackpot prize na tile. Ganun yung nangyari kaya nakuha ko sa Spectre Espers, so try to do it as well. Ilalagay ko na lang yung total cost na ginastos ko para kay Spectre in the pinned comment below. Now, if ever nakuha na ninyo yung jackpot prize, stop there. I repeat, tigilan nyo na yan. The next footage that you are watching right now is me attempting to get the other jackpot prize pero mukhang hindi siya posible. Same thing naman ang ginawa ko, I did some more 5 moves para makuha yung next controllers pero yung tingi-tingi portion, ayaw talaga ako ilapit dun sa may jackpot na grid. I went hard and topped up even more, even reaching the last milestone pero unfortunately nga espers, meron na talagang something sa coding nila feeling ko. Kaya choose wisely kung sinong jackpot prize ang makukuha ninyo kasi mukhang isa lang yung pwede natin makuha na character in this event. Pero yun lang siya. Again, uulitin ko, if hindi ninyo ma-access yung event or may error na lumalabas, mag-log out muna kayo via legal and privacy na tab sa may settings. Then, log back in. Hindi yung i-close nyo lang yung app, then bubuksan ulit. Again, ang gagawin nyo dapat is log out and then log in. Another FAQ natin para naman sa counter-attack na event, there are numerous guides already sa YouTube on the locations kung saan ninyo makukuha yung operators. 16 nga pala sila in total and it would help you reach yung top 10% na leaderboard. As far as I know, you want to reach that percentile since sila yung makaka-receive ng character na reward. Just play a lot of BR games and get components along the way pero dapat black out yung mapa para magawa ninyo yung repeatable na quest doon, then deploy Ghost or Soap and you can get a maximum of 500 points every 10 minutes. Kung swerte kayo, since yung 200 points doon ay 50-50 yung chance. Medyo masakit siya since 500 components yung kailangan ninyo, so just play, and play nga. That would help you complete more missions every day. Get more tokens rin. Lastly, don't forget to claim every day. I repeat, every day yung second anniversary token na libre dito para naman you can have enough tokens for exchange pag lumabas na yung exchange shop. Di ko pa alam yung lalabas na rewards doon like guns or even characters, pero you can use last year's anniversary videos as reference here on YouTube. Pero that's all for today, Espers. If ever magulo regarding the event, feel free to comment sa may baba. I believe kaya ko naman silang sagutin, just not everything, lalo na kung paulit-ulit or na-mention ka na already in the video. Last resort would be to PM me sa my Facebook gaming page ko, but be sure to follow first. Ayun nga, napakaraming duplicates and medyo marami rin naman yung credits na nakuha natin pero dun lang talaga tayo dapat sa my first try. 165 CP lang sana yung nagastos natin. Ayaw sumayaw ni Ghost, gusto ko sana i-demo yung dalawa nating nakuhang bagong emotes which is yung Disconnected and Rock the House, pero ayun nga, tinry ko na siya paulit-ulit, ayaw niya talagang sumayaw. Most likely, I won't be doing any Lucky Draw experience videos muna, but focus tayo sa Boodle event reviews such as this one, as mas maraming natutulungan to. Ito nga pala yung quest na sinasabi ko kanina, yung kulay puti, and you can complete this every 10 minutes. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next Boodle event. Don't worry, ako ang bahala sa inyo, basta magsusubscribe kayo. Stay safe, Espers, and have a good Wednesday.